We can cross the newsroom and join Louise Lear for the forecast. Hi, Louise.
Hi there, Joanna. It certainly looks as though we're heading for quite a promising week of weather across the UK, and it's beautiful in comparison to parts of Europe. As you can see, London holding its own with some of the major cities through the Mediterranean, but it's still a disappointing feel for this time of year across Prague and the Czech Republic. That's where we've seen that severe flooding and still some showery outbreaks of rain to clear away from Central Europe. It will do so, pushing further east as high pressure builds across the UK, quieting things down generally for the northwest of Europe over the next few days. It means for us, for the rest of the afternoon, a dry, warm scenario with some sunny spells continuing to come through. And really, there's just a little bit of cloud now through the afternoon across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Western areas of Scotland should fare quite nicely, and highs of 20 degrees here, but a risk of an isolated shower perhaps through central areas, and a little more disappointing across parts of Aberdeenshire, let's say, with more cloud coming in off the North Sea. 18 degrees and some sunny spells, and just a slim chance of a shower across Northern Ireland. And as you can see, not too bad across sheltered western areas in particular. More of a breeze, and so North Sea coast a little more subdued, a little disappointing, but to the west of London we could have highs of 22, 23 degrees, that's 73 Fahrenheit. The wind circulating around that low pressure, so always the reason for that cooler feel on North Sea coast, and it will continue to drive in more cloud through the night, and some of that really making its way quite far inland. Sheltered western areas stay clearer, overnight lows of 9 to 11 degrees, and so again, the further west you are, you'll start off with the sunshine, but elsewhere it may well be a bit of a cloudy, dull start to the day. Be patient, the cloud will break up, the sunny spells will come through, maybe a little more fair weather cloud than we've got at the moment, and it's still the risk of a few showers up into the far north. East coast staying disappointingly cool, further west not quite as warm, 19 or 20 degrees the expected high perhaps. Similar story as we move through to Thursday. Little change in our weather throughout the week. The further north and east it stays cloudy and grey with a few showers threatening more sunshine into central and western areas. And in fact, temperatures will just climb a degree or so higher as we see the start of the weekend. 21, 22 degrees is possible across England and Wales. Always the risk of a little more cloud the further north. So I'm just going to reiterate one more time. You've just got to let me indulge. It's been quite a while since we can talk about a week of settled weather. So warm and sunny, light winds with just a few showers for the end of the week. I'll be back with more details if you want them in half an hour.